So I've just given those a quick wash and get those out. And all I'm going to do with these chili peppers is just take the tops off like that, and then I'm going to chuck them in a blender. If you don't want your sauce to be really hot, you can rub this and all the seeds will fall out, or you can sieve it after you've made the sauce. So let's get all these peppers in there. And for the tomatoes, we'll just remove the top stalks and chuck them straight in. It's only small tomatoes after all, but if you're using big tomatoes, you can quarter them. So next up, a couple of onions. And we'll just roughly chop those. And we also need a couple of cloves of garlic. So we'll just peel these and they can just go in whole. And now we'll get this all chopped up. And we'll cook this on a medium heat. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to this. We'll give that a mix and then we'll let it simmer for a while. So we're just going to add a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree to that. And then some apple cider vinegar. That's 150 millilitres. And we'll bring this back up to temperature. So now I'm just going to let this sweat for about 10 minutes. So if you're going to put them in some jars, like I do, ones that I save and recycle, you need to put this jar in a pan of water, bring it to a boil and let it boil for about 10 minutes. So at some point you're going to want to give this a taste, just in case it's too hot, especially if you've grown your own peppers like me and you're not sure how hot they're going to be. But if it is too hot, just add some cream to it and that will calm it down for you. So now that chilli sauce is done, so what we're going to do is transfer it to a pan and then we're going to blend it a little bit more to make it smoother. So we'll just use a stick blender for this. And if you're doing this open top like me, be very careful because you don't want that splashing into your eye. So now we've got something with a bit more of a creamy consistency. This bit might be messy. So that's in there. The jar's red hot. Get your lid on. Nice and tight. And that's your homemade chilli sauce finished.